Today, we're about to embark on an unboxing journey with one of the most highly anticipated smartphones, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Known for pushing the boundaries of technology, Oppo has once again promised an extraordinary experience. Join me as we unveil the Oppo Find X7 Ultra and explore the premium features it has to offer. Let's dive right in. As we open the box, we are greeted with the stunning Oppo Find X7 Ultra, featuring a sleek and modern design, fast charger. The phone feels comfortable in hand, thanks to its slim profile and premium build quality. Moving on to the display, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.82-inch QHD AMOLED LTPO display with 510p pixel density, 4500 nits peak brightness, up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The colors are vivid, and the details are sharp, creating an immersive visual experience. Under the hood, this phone is a powerhouse. The flagship smartphone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, along with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage. The performance is smooth and responsive, allowing for seamless multitasking and gaming. Let's not forget about the cameras, a true highlight of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. With a sophisticated camera system featuring a 50-megapixel light 901-inch main camera with WAH and a 50-megapixel light 600 ultra-wide secondary shooter with 14mm focal length. The handset flaunts two periscope cameras. The 65mm periscope camera offers a 3x zoom while the second periscope lens offers a 6x optical zoom. For selfies and video chats, there is a 32-megapixel camera sensor on the front. This device promises to deliver exceptional photography and videography capabilities. I can't wait to put these cameras to the test in various scenarios. On the software side, Oppo Find X7 Ultra runs Android 14 with ColorOS 14, which feels very smooth and fast. The battery life of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is exceptional. It packs a 5000 mAh battery and 100W fast charging. In conclusion, Oppo Find X7 Ultra impresses with its design, performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone at a more affordable price point, this could be the perfect device for you. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra has left a lasting impression with its premium design, thoughtful accessories, and the promise of cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned for our comprehensive review, where we'll delve deeper into the performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. Thank you for joining us on this exciting unboxing journey of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra.